Welcome back to the coolest tech, where innovation, discovery, and the extraordinary converge. What changes can we expect in the Apple Watch Ultra 2? When is its release date? And what might be the price tag? Recent rumors suggest the new Apple Watch Ultra 2 will be lighter than its predecessor. The current model's weight has sparked discussions due to its heft compared to the Series 8 and SE models. The leak from the Chinese website Weibo indicates a potential weight reduction, addressing a concern many users had about the watch's size and weight. The increased weight of the original Apple Watch Ultra led to the absence of certain band options, like titanium, which are available for lighter models. However, a potential lighter design might allow for a broader range of band choices. The leak, shared by Setsuna Digital, also raises curiosity about other potential upgrades and improvements to the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Stay tuned for further updates on release dates, features, and pricing. Recent rumors from reliable sources provide insights into the upcoming Apple Watch Ultra 2. Ming-Chi Kuo, known for accurate predictions, suggests that Apple will utilize titanium 3D printing for certain components of the watch, including the digital crown, side button, and action button. While 3D printing may raise concerns about durability, Kuo's statement clarifies that this approach aims to improve production time, lower costs, and potentially reduce the watch's weight. Titanium 3D printing is expected to bring efficiency gains to the manufacturing process, which could contribute to a lighter overall design. Additionally, recent advancements like a laser-based crown for more precise adjustments are also under consideration. These insights hint at Apple's commitment to enhancing the Apple Watch Ultra 2's functionality and user experience. The upcoming Apple Watch Ultra 2 is generating excitement with its potential improvements. Apple is reportedly considering utilizing titanium 3D printing for specific components, a move that could bring efficiency gains to production. This mirrors Apple's past impact on the industry when adopting CNC parts. While weight may not be a major concern for some, the focus on battery life remains crucial. Apple aims to maintain impressive battery performance with advancements in battery technology, such as new winding techniques, contributing to efficiency gains. This technology could enable more battery capacity or a slimmer design, allowing for a better balance between performance and form factor. The upcoming Apple Watch Ultra 2 is likely to feature the S9 chip, a significant upgrade over its predecessors. While previous iterations shared similar chips, the S9 chip will introduce improvements based on a more advanced 5nm design, akin to the A15 processor. This promises enhanced performance and improved battery efficiency. The current Apple Watch Ultra delivers exceptional performance and battery life, but the S9 chip could further elevate these aspects. With the potential for longer battery life and a slimmer design, the Ultra 2 could offer an even more refined and impressive user experience. Apple Watch Ultra 2 seems to be stirring up some interesting changes that could really catch our attention. One of the buzz about upgrades is the shift to a lighter design, and the secret sauce here is titanium 3D printing for certain components. This could not only help with weight reduction, but also streamline the production process and possibly bring down costs. But that's not all. Imagine the new S9 chip stepping into the scene, boasting a snazzy 5nm design. While the tech talk might not be everyone's cup of tea, this chip could amp up performance and give that battery life a boost, possibly even allowing for a slimmer profile. And speaking of size, there's chatter about a smaller version making an appearance, catering to folks who find the current model a tad on the big side. Putting it all together, you've got the makings of a sleeker, smarter, and more tailored Apple Watch Ultra 2 that could really turn heads. So if you're keeping an eye out for a lighter, more powerful, and possibly more compact smartwatch, this one might just be worth the wait. It looks like there's quite a bit to look forward to with the Apple Watch Ultra 2. The buzz is that it might actually be lighter than the current version, thanks to some titanium 3D printing. This could make a noticeable difference in terms of comfort. Speaking of improvements, the new S9 chip, based on a 5nm design, could enhance both performance and battery life. It's fascinating how Apple keeps refining its tech. Interestingly, a smaller version of the Ultra might be on the horizon, which could address the size concerns many people have expressed. And for those who appreciate the aesthetic side of things, a titanium band option could really up the elegance factor. There's also chatter about a potentially larger display, though I agree, it might be more about optimizing the bezels. And hey, the idea of micro LED displays sounds promising, even if it's a bit down the road. All in all, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 seems to be shaping up to be quite the upgrade. Your thoughts? The upcoming Apple Watch Ultra 2 seems to have some exciting enhancements in the pipeline. There's talk about the display becoming not only larger, but also brighter, all while being more energy efficient. That's pretty cool, right? Now, if you're curious about holding out for a micro LED display, which promises even more improvement, it's important to note that the timeline might have shifted to 2025 or even 2026. Waiting might not be the best move, especially since the next gen Ultra could be here as early as the iPhone 15 release, just a few months away. Considering past patterns, there's a chance that Apple could tweak the price too. It's happened before with the price adjustments in different model options. So if you're thinking about grabbing an Apple Watch Ultra 2, it might be wise to hold off for a bit. Who knows, you could end up with a sleeker and more affordable option that suits your style and needs better. Your thoughts on these potential changes? Even if you're someone like me who usually opts for a larger standard Apple Watch design, the Ultra in its smaller version would still look absolutely perfect and save you some money. Let me know if you're excited about the upcoming Apple Watch Ultra 2 and if you're considering getting one. Drop us a comment below. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more enlightening content. May these innovations inspire your journey of exploration and curiosity. Until next time.